We're here outside Truck Access Plus in Phoenix, Arizona. We have a new Chevy Colorado with the performance package. They have the pre-equipped side rails. We installed the Ultra Flex, which is the hard folding truck bed cover. This one works with the existing OEM bed rails. We also installed the 4-inch oval matte black side steps, which go excellent with this vehicle's pre-existing fender trim. These steps have a 4-inch wide appearance, and they have custom mounting brackets, so no drilling is required. This Ultra Flex lays very flush with the truck bed, and it's secure when the tailgate is locked. So when you lower the tailgate, you can easily open up the cover from either side and get access to the truck in a matter of seconds. You can fold it up all the way to the back window, and this cover has carpet underneath the panels. This cover can be driven in multiple positions. Here it has buckles, and then it has an integrated tailgate seal, so you don't have to shut the tailgate first. You can close the cover and then shut the tailgate, and then when you lock it, it's secure. This installation was all done at Truck Access Plus in Phoenix, Arizona. Visit us online at truckaccessplus.com.